Hey everybody, guess what we're doing today? We're going fishing! There's Jeffrey.
I'm going catching.
I'm just fishing. First time of the year for me. We have had a crazy summer, so it's the first time getting out. I'm excited and let's go!
I hit him perfect. I hit him absolutely perfect.
Running and gunning, and I think that's the only way we can do that.
Big old Maine smallmouth there. Caught it on a drop shot, about 28 foot of water.
The first 15 minutes. Boat almost pulled it right in.
That was crazy. I thought I was going in the water. Ta-da! Nice hat.
Thank you.
That's cute.
It's my official fishing hat.
What do you have to say?
I'm really happy we're doing this.
Me too. It's gonna be a fun
I
day.
was walking down, looking at you standing in the water with the boat. I was like, yeah, we needed this.
Yeah, we did. For sure.
Okay, hop aboard.
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
This is also my first time on the boat since we put the new deck in. So I'm excited to test it out and see how it goes. We're gonna go get out into a spot and we'll see you out there.
Largemouth, I think. Just a couple pounds anyway. Well, there.
There.
Long enough.
Gosh.
First one of the day. First one in a long time. Largemouth on this rocky little point, just throwing a weightless fluke. Chunker. Okay, more to have.
Here we go.
There we go.
It's the start of it.
Yep.
All right, I don't remember how to do this double one.
Okay, hold on. Little bugger. Little fella.
Ayo.
So basically what we got today is, I'll get him back. Basically what this is right here is, there's like 70-foot water all around us. There's fish jumping everywhere right now. This is very hard for me to stop and explain. But this is just, I've fished with this before and showed you guys this before. It's a weightless fluke. Basically just a basically just a minnow. And you fish it just like you would a Texas rig, weightless setup right here. And you just tech pose it, which is basically just burying the tip of the hook back into the fish itself. And right now it seems like they're actually busting on bait fish of some sort, so it's working really good. I like this. This is a smoke and shad, I think it's called, by Zoom. Just a real natural, you know, any sort of a minnow in the water. Looks like that. Only weight on this is the hook, so that's the only thing that's making it sink real slow. And you're just mixing up your twitches. You're twitching it, snapping it, making it dart, letting it sink, snap, snap, let it, you know, dart off different directions and then start sinking again. And yeah, usually on that sink you get hit, and it's when you go to snap it, you'll feel the fish. and they seldom ever let go. You just snap it, you feel the tension of a fish, let them have it, reel up your slack, and smack them. Oh, this one feels better too.
Does that you on the net?
Maybe. Oh, he's not that much better, but he's just trying to get down. Oh, cookie cutter. There he is.
Hey. Oh.
Will you get out there and cast already?
I'm trying. Hello.
Cookie cutter, another one. They're chasing bait fish or something right now. He's got a little wonky tail.
Oh yeah. It's pretty though.
Pretty.
Pretty fish.
This is just little though. Little fella, we'll take him. Babies. We found the nursery. Yeah. So, nursery. Get your line. Get your rod. Get your rod. There's another one with it right beside it. Two of them. Cast right. See all of them? Nope. Cast it. Cast it out beyond. See my fish? Cast it out there. There he is. I'm gonna go get his buddies. There you go. Got him? Hold on, don't reel him in yet. You doing that?
No, I don't think so. Here he is. That's my first one of the day. What do you think?
Oh, hero.
Yay.
Good job.
Well, it's been a day.
That's all we have to say about that.
It's good to get out, though. I liked that part.
Yeah, it was fun.
I don't know how to
You
make.
caught a fish.
I know I even caught a fish.
Use your arm. Where are you going?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
How to.
Hey, there.
Everything's
She'll
backwards.
figure it out.
Anyways, I caught a fish. I'm happy.
Mhm.
Jeffrey caught some fishes.
Fish eyes.
Fish eye.
Yeah, not a great day. This is probably the slowest day I've had on this lake, but it was still fun. We never really found the big ones, but found where the little guys were. Jordan and I last year this time had a hard time weeding through a lot of those little ouncers to get through to some of those 3-pounders, but today we never found them.
Not a one.
Nope.
Not really. But it was a good day to be on the water. It was a little cloudy this morning, but it opened up and was sunny for a little bit, so that was nice.
Yep.
Can't complain.
So, next episode, we'll be in the woods. 'Cause we're not
Yay.
fishing anymore, right?
Yeah, sure. We say that now.
So I hope you guys liked it. We appreciate you. And
See you next time. What? I don't know.